Days are long, your car won't start.
Let's just do it. Ice.
It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to try to cut my own hair, even though I can go to the barber shop to get my hair trimmed. But the advice of from the government is that stay home when it's nothing important. And I think even though the hair is important and my hair is getting very long, I just think why I'm not going to try myself, because I have a trimmer. I think it's like 2 years old now, never been used. I purchased it just because of suddenly I want to purchase a clipper. So I'm going to try to cut my hair. I think the bright side is when I did something wrong with my hair, I still can go to the hair salon to get it fixed. And in this haircut, I'm just going to trim this side up and the back and the left, and also short this part a little bit. I have a clipper. I also has guards. I'm going to use 4 type of guards. This is the 50mm, 12mm, 9mm, and 6mm. So I'm going to start with the longest part, and the clipper will be on the close position. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay. I have to try to fix the guard first correctly. I think just do it like that. Click. No. Wrong. One more time, like that, and click. Okay, this is the 50mm. The sound of it is so scary, so I'm just going to. Okay, this is scary. Okay, I have my mirror. I have my mirror here, and okay, this is scary. Woo. Okay, just do it. Maybe I should put this clip on this one. What do you think? Okay, I already cut it. Okay, turn it off first, and I'm going to clip this part like that. Or just do it. I don't know what to do. I get the clips, so I'm going to fix my hair like that. I saw that some of they did it at the barber shop. I just improvise. This is the normal side, and then I'm just going to cut. Okay, now it's the first step is done, and I'm going to change the guard with a shorter one. It's 12 millimeter, and try to blend and make it a little bit shorter again. Oh my god, there is a lot of hair. Poof. So I think the shorter the guard is, the more scary it is, because okay, let's just do it. So I just dropped my clipper, and I thought it was broken because it's like that. There's a lot of hair. I'm going to take off my shirt because this is.
But it played us. No.
Look at all this hair, but then I have to go further with the next step. So I put the 12 millimeter guards, and the position is still close. I'm going to cut more of the side, the back, and the other side. Let's do it.
Sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms and an open door.
So now I'm at the second guard. I'm going to move to the third guard. It's really small. Shorter is 9 millimeter. Just to blend everything up.
Thursdays and night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Okay. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms and an open door. Thursdays and night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
So this is the third guard, and I'm going to clean it up a little bit, my face. It is quite short now, and what I'm going to do is the number 4 guard. It is 6 millimeter.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So, middle card then. So, this one is here.
When I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah, without you by my side.
I'm going to wash myself first and check if everything good, but I think I messed it up at the back side and the side. So, hi guys, this is the result. So it's not perfect because this is the first time I did it myself, but I think it's good. It's good enough. I saved like €50 for this haircut, and also I keep myself safe without visiting the probably crowded barbershop.
Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly.
So this is the back side. It's the most difficult part, in my opinion, because, well, it's just difficult to do it. But overall, I think I'm quite satisfied with it, and probably I'm going to do it again next time. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my